What's up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. Today is July 26th. It is my bae's birthday. I am excited to take him out to eat. I'm going to catch NYC. He just had a birthday surprise party. It was very nice. He had fun. He was fake surprised. I think he kind of knew, but he wasn't too sure what it was. He thought he was getting a car. Yeah, so if you want to see how I laid my hair, how I did my makeup, my outfit choice, then let's get right into this video. It is 1:39 and I need to get this show on the road. This is the wig that I am wearing. I love this wig. So I'm gonna put this on my head. This wig could be better, like with the plucking and stuff, but I can't pluck. I don't know how to pluck. I mean, I can try to pluck, but will I win? I don't know. So I'm gonna do a straight part. It's not that bad, you know what I'm saying? Not that bad. This is really good. I got this from a company that I don't use anymore because the last wig they gave me was trash and they didn't want to give me a refund, so that's a dub. You see how beautiful this hair is though. Let's get into it. I'm gonna flatten it after. I'm not gonna use glue. I'm gonna use spritz because I don't got time for glue. And I don't even really want to have it on, really, for real. Because I don't want to wear my wigs to work. Because I do not want to mess my wigs up at work. And yeah. So I'm just gonna push everything back. I don't know why I caught it then if I was gonna do that. Yeah, so it's not that bad. It probably definitely do need more plucking. Like this hair right here. Like, why is this? All of this right here can go. What is this? Me don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna use this cup right here. My spritz. Spray that in here. My bottle's not working, so I'm gonna have to just pour it in there. Like so, like that. This is my little Henny. I'm gonna get a brush. This is a paint brush. And just put it right here. No more, no less. Just to hold it down, girl. I'm not gonna be flipping my hair, doing the most. No. So I'm gonna just paint that on here. Paint that on here. I could honestly put it on the whole lace. I mean, my whole forehead. But I don't think it's necessary. So we're definitely going to take an Uber out there. I'm taking him to catch NYC. It's like a Asian restaurant. Korean restaurant. One of those type of things. And then I'm going to just fold it on there. And let it dry. And already sticking down already. So what I'm gonna do is take this head wrap and just wrap that part so it can stay. And put it right here. And then I'm gonna get right into the makeup. So let's get into that portion. I'm not doing nothing crazy. I'm just gonna do foundation, concealer, contour, and one color eyeshadow base, which is still, I'm wondering if I should still put on my P. Louise base. Let's just put it on. If you hear a roaring noise, that is my AC. If I turn that thing off, it will be blazing up in here, and I don't got time for that. But how's everybody been? So I'm gonna take my Revolution Roxy and go to this brown color right here. I'm gonna go into this brown. So then I'm going to go into the darker brown. Just pack that right there. That is it for the eyes. I'm gonna go into my Fenty Trophy Wife. I love this thing. This is like the bomb.com. I'm gonna throw that thing in the inner corner. Let me get a brush. Let me get a brush to, you know, feather it out. My grandma says she don't like this because it looked like abacus, but I love it. So then I'm gonna go into my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, do my wing line. Sorry, I need it close to me. I did mess that up. It's not that bad. I could fix that. I'm gonna clean it up from the bottom instead of cleaning it from the top to the bottom. And now that I did that, obviously I gotta add more black, but that's fine for now. I'm gonna color correct my face. I don't know how I wake up with scratches all over my face. Dang, I forgot to put on primer. I'm gonna put on primer on the areas that I didn't put color corrector on. Hopefully that'll work. Because not to prime is a crime, aka if you don't know who says that, then you don't know. Then I'm gonna set my whole face with powder so that I can avoid being too oily at the end of the night. I be feeling like I be oily, like OD. Like everywhere. It don't matter where. Everywhere. Now let's put this foundation on. I'm gonna use the butt of my sponge. I went to Best Buy trying to get a mic and they were sold out. Now for the contouring. I'm not gonna put that much because I feel like this color is too dark. I want to get the Fenty Taupe one. Is it Taupe? Coffee Taupe? I don't know, one of them. I'll put it in here. I forgot which one it is. I need it to be a little bit lighter because I don't want it chiseled, looking like a drag queen. Nothing against drag queens, but that's not the look I'm going for. Especially with this, if I'm doing a simple... See, look at that. That look like a straight doodle line. See, it looks good when you like really go in and buff it out. But I feel like I'm taking all the product out too. See what I'm saying? It looked nice. I probably put too much on my forehead. I'm liking that much better. What do you guys think? Let me know. I got a new camera, that's why I keep looking over there. Before, my viewfinder was like, it flipped up, so when I looked at myself, you couldn't really notice that I looked at myself. But now, since mine is to the side, you can notice. And I want to be more in tune with you guys. I feel like when you look at the lens, it's like you're talking to me. I like watching YouTube. YouTube is one of my favorite things to watch. So I know, I get it. Don't know why I didn't contour my nose, but I guess I'll do that in a second. I'm going to use the bottom of the sponge again and do the powder. Don't know why I do this. I just feel like it looks better when I do it. I don't know. Because when you spray it with setting spray, it just makes everything flawless, I guess. I'm gonna go back into contouring and just do this again. I'm gonna put powder where I put the highlight. Put that thing everywhere. Okay. Because when you spray that thing, it's gonna lighten up like a star. Put black on the waterline. That's my favorite thing to do. I've always been doing that. senior junior in high school. I thought I was doing something there. You know what? I didn't check to see how much an Uber would be to get there from here. It might be mad bread. It might be $100 there and back. 21 9th Ave, $79. Insane. Hopefully when I go back to it, it's cheaper and I don't have to pay $100 to get out there, which is insane. And we don't take Accessoride anymore because y'all know the vibes about Accessoride. Accessoride will take you all over the world. Then to link to your destination, and we're not trying to have that. Alright, with the same brush that I used the powder with, I'm gonna put on this blush. Then I'm gonna put some mascara on my lashes, set my face, iron my shirt, and we're gonna be good to go. And all we gotta do is wait for the birthday boy. I'm gonna put on my lipstick, my Fenty Uncuffed. Gonna go back into my trophy wife and put that in the inner corner again, just, you know, to make it pop more. I'm gonna put my lashes on, my Ardell lashes. I wore these already. I'm gonna set my face after the fact because I gotta let these lashes dry. So let's get to the hair. Alright, so I'm gonna take some alcohol and clean this part because it's definitely supposed to be blonde. Get my Too Faced, put some powder in the middle of this hair. I got my Titanium Heat from Touche, I think it's called. Just a quick pass. I don't know why I don't have my comb combing through this thing. But then again, I don't want it too straight. Oh, I'm gonna set my face with my all-nighter Urban Decay. So this is the fit. I don't know if you guys can see that far. Maybe I can zoom in, but yeah. And my pasties is not sticking. Fit. Come on, lash, stay on. Can y'all suggest another lash glue? And I don't want to use hair glue. Alright, so this is the finished ordeal. Thank you for getting ready with me. I have to put on my press-on nails. And then me and babe, we're going to be out when he get here. I don't know if I'm going to put the dinner in this video or put the dinner on our channel on a separate like type of vlog thingy for his birthday. Because we got to give both channels love. You know what I'm saying? So... you ready to taste that? If you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below. Share with your peoples. And if you're in New York, I do other people makeup too. I'm so excited that I have gotten 2 clients so far. I had gotten my little cousin. I did her makeup for prom, and I did somebody else's makeup for like a quinceañera. I don't want to say quinceañera, but like a... the theme was like a bachata theme, I guess. And she had, I just did her makeup. I'm so proud of myself. Everybody said I did a good job. And I'm like, yes, let me get some more clients, rack it in. And I brought more products so I can, you know, do different type of skin tones and faces and all of that jazz. So yeah, if you're in New York, hit me up. But yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace.